Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how can make KFC chicken at home easy guide. Start by brining chicken in 2 cups buttermilk with 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tsp sugar for at least 2 hours to lock in moisture. In a separate bowl, combine flour, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp onion powder, and 1 tsp black pepper for the seasoned dredge. Press coating firmly and fry pieces at 350 degrees F until golden and cooked through. Brining makes a big difference, so soak pieces for at least 2 hours. Use 1 quart water, 2 tablespoons salt, and 2 tablespoons sugar to create the brine. For the dry mix, use 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tsp onion powder, 1 tsp garlic powder, and 1 tsp black pepper. Pat chicken dry before dredging to help the coating stick and create extra crunch each time. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and maintain temperature between 325 degrees F and 350 degrees F to avoid greasy chicken. Use a thermometer and don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches of 4 to 6 pieces depending on pan size. Drain on a rack for 5 minutes to keep crust crisp. Let rested chicken reach safe internal temperature of 165 degrees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.